You're fast.
Touch.
So as I see there's no one in the truck, then I see the guy laying on the ground, and then it just crashed. I stopped my car, I was like, holy crap, and my first instinct was just to see if everyone was okay, but that was the most scariest thing I've ever experienced in my life. Like,
So how fast was that truck going?
basically roughly around 50 to 60 kilometers, like just fast. I literally thought, I thought someone was in there and gonna turn, and I was like, what is this guy doing? Why is he going this fast? And turns out no one was in it. And then I saw that guy laying down, and I either think he was either gonna jump in to stop it, or it might have crushed him in that meantime. And so yeah, most scariest thing I've ever experienced.
Where were you?
In my life. I'm in that Honda Civic. I was 2 cars behind that car.
How many vehicles did it hit?
It hit 3.
And can you describe what the condition of patients were after the collision?
The passenger in that car was barely breathing. Barely breathing. I'm not too sure if someone ended their life today or not. The driver, he was coherent. He was breathing. He's okay. I was talking to the other passenger that rolled down into the ditch. I was talking to the little boy and his uncle or friend, and they're okay, but their dad got into the stretcher, into the ambulance, and I didn't see anything on this side, so I can't tell on this side.
Okay. What's your name?
My name's Kelsey Joy Gordon.
Spell your first and last name for us.
My name, it is K-E-L-S-E-Y G-O-R-D-O-N.
And pronounce it one more time.
Kelsey Joy Gordon.
Thank you very much.
The front, and that's about it. We're just going like 80 kilometers an hour, right? So it was like, and I recalled it, and I turned around.
So which way were you heading?
This way.
You were heading south on Lougheed Highway. And then describe what you saw as you approached this street here.
We were just right there, then I looked up, and I see the truck rolling down, and I ran the guy over with the gate, and then we drove off.
So the truck ran somebody over?
Yeah. Okay.
And whereabouts did it run him over?
Right by the gate. We were reaching, but the gate was open.
So the gate was open. What was the drive?
There was a gate there, because the guy was reaching by the gate to grab it.
To grab the gate or the truck?
Gate. Yeah, the truck.
He was trying
the gate.
And what happened after that?
And we drove off. And then when I came back, I saw all the accidents.
And your name is? Could you spell your first and last name for us, please?
Lougheed Hwy, Y-A-S-H-A-R-K-A-R-I-N.
Thank you very much.